My name's Brendan, I'm a creative, I'm a comedian, I'm a producer, I'm a performer, a food business owner, former child labourer, and I love food. My favourite food is my mum's food. My mum is from East Timor, and she came to Australia in the late 70s and worked as a chef in the Chinese restaurant business for over 30 years. But one thing she never did was teach me how to make these classic Timorese dishes. So Timorese cuisine's got like an interesting mix of influences, right? You've got the East Timor area, the native area, and then on top of that you've got the neighbouring Indonesia, Malaysia area around here, that's a big influence. On top of that you've got the Portuguese influence. They were the colonizers for over 300 years. And on top of that, you've got the Chinese migrant influence, which is what my family is. We're Chinese Timorese. The reason for making this show is that a lot of people in my generation don't really know how to make any of these foods that our parents made. Right? I've asked my cousins, they don't know. Every family has a different spin on these recipes. The aim of this show is to hopefully preserve and document these recipes so that we have like a reference point. Now, I've only made a few of these dishes before, but I've invited 3 special guests who are the next generation of uncle and aunties to see if I'm on the right track.
Otilia and I, we have a blog called Timorese Cook, where we've been trying to capture our cultural food heritage.
Yeah, I'm confident of walking out alive. Liking it, that's a different story.
Everything's a learning process. I think when you actually get something wrong, you actually remember how to do it right the next time. So that's probably a good thing.